bananas. Yoshi likes bananas. Grandpa likes bananas. I like bananas. Grandpa likes bananas. Grass hates bananas. I mean, maybe Grandma hates bananas. I don't know what. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna learn how to make marshmallow sticks. On Grandpa's new GoPro, and he's filming us right now.
Mission One Pro.
Okay, whatever. I'm going.
Now be careful. Be careful.
Okay.
All right. Hold on. Pam's gonna show you how to put a marshmallow on there.
Okay.
Here.
Watch. Take it. Look. You got.
Now hold still there. Okay, you take a sharp end.
Hey, turn around and show that to the camera.
Okay.
Push it down.
Turn around, Pam. We're not seeing it.
No, okay. Marshmallows on the stick.
All right.
Take your stick.
And roast
Has
it.
she ever
This is my first video on the Mission One
This is her first
Pro.
time.
Roast
I'm going to do it and you watch
It was
me,
just
and then I'll
delivered
give it to you,
today,
and
May
you'll see.
29th.
You don't want to put it right in and just hold it still.
And don't put it on the
Because
stick.
you don't want it burnt black. Kind of rotate it and just kind of wave it back and forth between the flame there.
May I ask who doesn't want to burn black?
Some people do. She probably wouldn't, would she?
No.
No.
I don't know, but I'm one of those people.
Yeah, I like them like that myself. I like them toasty brown too. I like them both ways.
This is the low light test, 4K, 16:9, 60 frames, linear.
Whoa, honey, be careful. Watch the pile of sticks.
So this is my first
Look,
test
see,
of
it's
low
starting
light
to melt.
and
It's
video
almost
on this
So,
GoPro
yeah, it'll be turning brown here in a
Mission
minute.
One
So can you
Pro.
do this?
You just wave it.
Okay.
And on the
Kinda wave
screen,
it
I'm
back.
telling you,
Don't
it looks
hold still
daylight.
like that. It will catch
It
on
is
fire
near
and it'll
dark.
burn it black and you won't
Literally.
So just wave
So
it a
just-
little bit.
want it. If you need to hold it both hands like I was
Hold it
doing,
both hands.
to where you can guide it back and forth.
It's
See,
almost
right
9
across
o'clock
the
at
flame
night.
like
Yeah,
that.
hold it both hands.
It might be a
in the Eastern Time
You
Zone.
can try it.
But if you use both hands, you'll have more control, is what
Yeah,
I'm
both
saying.
hands.
See?
And back and
Okay,
forth.
now, you step right here. Okay,
Back and
I'll
forth.
help guide you. Look, see, just back and forth, really.
Back and forth.
Yeah, it's like it's swinging, you know? It's
So we got a
swinging
7-year-old learning how to make a s'more.
Swinging through the fire. Yay, yay, yay. We're swinging through the fire. Gotta make a game of it. Yeah. So, yeah. See how puffed up it's getting?
It's puffing. It's getting fat.
Okay, let's rotate it.
Oh, yeah.
See how golden
Look.
brown it's getting over
Oh,
there?
yeah.
See, look.
Oh man.
Look, see that?
Golden brown.
Wow.
No, turn it flat
Then
this
you-
way. Then we
then
want
you
this
get that
side to get
golden
golden brown now.
And then you make a s'more with it.
Yeah.
Exactly. Just back and forth. Swinging in the fire, melting the marshmallow.
I think it's about
We're
done.
having fun. Now a little bit more.
Almost.
Just a few more waves.
Back and forth.
Don't knock me over, so she's trying to lean back on me.
Don't lean on her.
Yeah,
Todd.
Aunt Pam's real weak, so yeah, I'll fall over easy. Then you'll have to pick me up.
Oh
Oh, yes, okay.
All right.
All right, let's
Looks
hold
good.
it here. Okay,
All right, now look.
hold it still.
Hold it still.
Take a
Don't.
graham cracker.
Now remember, turn it around this way.
Show it to Grandpa. Show it to Grandpa.
no. Grandpa,
Well, I'm just getting this, okay? Look.
Yeah, we got to see how to put it on the cracker.
Watch. You take it, and you lay that on there. You hold it with your finger. You pull the stick out.
Like the Hershey chocolate.
Okay.
It goes
Now
on
don't we
it.
put some chocolate or something on there?
I'm
Hold it in
going
your
to
hand.
Hold this. Put your hand out. No, just hold your hand out flat.
Flat.
Just and let it sit right there. But I don't want to put this on there.
Don't drop
Put
it.
chocolate on while it's hot,
Yay,
so it will
chocolate.
melt it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like Hershey.
Right. See, we'll break that in half. We'll put one there, and
Now hold.
then you
Keep
put this one on there.
and
And you
squish
take
it.
the whole thing and you squish. You see how soft
Squish
and
it.
melty it is? Now go sit down
There's
and
a
enjoy it.
s'more.
Go sit
Woohoo!
down and enjoy it.
But,
Okay.
but is it milk chocolate?
Grandma and Grandpa, do I need
Now
to
here,
guide your
show it to me.
No.
It's a s'more.
Oh my goodness, that looks thick and
Isn't that
good.
awesome?
Now take a bite and tell me what you think.
Let me get a picture.
Yeah.
What do you think?
What's it taste like?
It's so good.
Oh man, that's approval. Look,
Say yummy,
look, look,
yummy.
look in the camera.
Hey, look here.
Hey,
Say yummy.
Yummy.
now, so how would you describe it?
10 out of 10.
What'd she say?
Cannot tell, I think.
Cannot tell.
No, 10 out. It's a 10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Are you sure it's not a 12 out of 10?
Well, then that's a success.
It's an infinity out of 10.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, I couldn't get her to rotate.
Well, that, my friend, is amazing.
You know.
And what do you think about the fire?
And I sort of have fun with my marshmallow getting on.
Huh? What do you think about the fire?
It was so hot and warm and refreshing.
But ain't it fun to have a fire and watch it?
And it feels good, don't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of getting black on that side.
That's okay.
Now, how do you feel about having?
Like some black.
How do you feel about having a fire like this?
Yeah, you have to move around.
Cool.
Is this your first time in Ohio?
Yes.
How do you like it?
It's cool. Guys, just to let you know that we're at Pam's house.
Got it how you want it?
That's
A
right.
little more?
And there's a Pam over here, and that's her house.
And there's a s'more over there. Wow, that looks like ice cream in this.
All right. Okay, here, take your cracker. Here.
Oh man,
You don't want it
now
on
that
a
was
s'more?
cool. Can you stretch it again like that?
Does Danny want it on a s'more?
Oh, he probably does. Why do you want s'more?
Why not?
Guys, can we video call Daddy and tell him that we're eating s'mores right now?
She wants to show Daddy her s'more.
Okay, you ready to kill the video?
Okay, guys.
This is the first video ever on the GoPro Mission One Pro.
Bye.